Tom the cat had a big night last night. I propped his door open so he could come in and explore the house, and first thing I know, in the middle of the night, the owls are making a bunch of noise. I looked outside and there's Tom the cat in the backyard. The owls were saying, "Wow, that looks like a meal, but he's way too big." So I closed off the doggy door so he couldn't get outside. Thought he'd just explore the house. Wake up in the morning, there he is in the front yard, which means he went up the stairs, out the cat door, onto the patio, down the roof, into the front yard. He must have followed Fido, who was also in the front yard. So he's got a new friend, maybe. All right, Fido. Tom. Let's try your preferred retrieve item, since we still haven't found the glove. What do you say? Oh, come on. All right, make it easy. Yes, good job. Let's find a little clicker. Come here, Tom. Good job. Come on, Tom. Oh, come on, take it. Come on. Oh, that was good. Oh. Good thing I can mouth click. The clicker was backwards. Let's try this once more. Hey. Come on. Oh, we're gonna do this way. Come on, Tom the cat. Take it. Don't bite my finger. Take the prop. Yay, Tom the cat. Fresh turkey. Oh boy. Here we go. It's been a struggle getting him to... Oh, I'm going to reward that anyway. It's been a struggle getting him to work with a different prop. Come on, Tom. That was, I think, the first step he took. I keep expecting him to act like he did with the old glove. Step. Come on, take it. But I gotta lower my criteria because it's something new and he doesn't like any changes. You must be a creature of habit. Come here, Tom. No, it's very pretty that you sit and look at the camera, but we're working. Come on. Here we go. Let's go. Oh, no. We gotta walk with it in our mouth. Come on. Tom. Here we go. Take it. Take it. No. Here, how about we have a yummy target? There's your cat food. That's what you're going to get when we're done training. Provided you behave yourself. Come on. Yay, Tom the cat. Okay, thank you. That was very good. Second time around, it is going faster than the first time around. Come on. But I sure would like to find his old glove. Come on, over here. Yay! Well, that was a late click, but what the heck. Good boy. Okay, are we pushing it? We could do one more time. What do you think, Tom? Yoo-hoo, Tom. Hey, take it. Hello, Tom. No, you can't just go around the outskirts and get it without a work. Hey. we only knew what was going on in their minds. Hey, you. We're going to do it once more. Come on. Here we go. Take it. Come on, Tom. Oh, doop, doop, doop. No. You can't go walking off with it. Take it. I'll take that just because you walked, but why weren't you walking towards the food? Yep. I think we better quit. Let's do your harness. Okay. Very good. Oh, Tom the cat. Now look pretty at the camera. He's thinking evil thoughts. What could we do with the harness on? Oh, this is your favorite? Come on, could we come up here with the harness? Oh, you can do it. Oh, yes, that's good. Come on, get the back half. Come on. You can move with the harness on. Come on. Yay, Tom the cat. Good job. Okay, we'll quit. Good boy. That was very nice.